This is my stink. Y'all already know this is my stink right here. Everybody needs encouragement sometimes, and I really feel like this is one of those times where I need some encouragement from you guys, just to remind me that I'm on the right path. Because what I do as far as YouTube and sharing my gift with you guys, I do it from the heart because I love it. Okay, and when I do it, I don't think about what I'm going to get in return. I feel like what's for me is for me. Okay, bye-bye, Jamari. You about to go finish playing the game?
Yep.
All right, so he's gone. What's up, Loc Nation? It's your girl, Kenyatta here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to share my vision with you guys because you guys are my biggest supporters, okay? You guys watch my videos. You comment on my videos. You show love to me. Like, you give me positive words every day. And to be quite honest, like, reading some of the comments that I get all the time really just... it pulls on my heartstrings, and it just makes me feel like what I'm doing is not in vain. Like, my goal is to just share, and this is also a video for y'all, but also a video for me. If what you do makes you happy, if you wake up in the morning with a smile and your heart just full of joy, then do that. F what anybody has to say about it. You know what I mean? Because you have your vision for a reason. It's your vision. It's not nobody else's vision. It's not this person, that person, anyone. It's your vision. You go back to my first video that I made a couple of years ago, 3 years ago. I was in my bathroom and I was just doing my hair. Before I started my YouTube channel, Earth Locs by Kenyatta, like years and years before I did my first upload, because I just did it like just to have it. Like when I was freelancing, I just made the Google account Earth Locs by Kenyatta just to have it. I didn't plan on doing videos. I just wanted to have the email address, you know, and there it was. So years later, fast forward, I was like, you know, every time I do my hair, by the way, I do have a fresh slate. I mean, I don't know, updo, girl. I needed it off my neck. Anyway, so when I first started my very first YouTube video, I was like, you know, people are always complimenting me on my hair, and you know, as a loctician, my clients were, you know, they were slayed, of course, but people were always talking about my hair and just complimenting me on my hair. Whenever I would style my hair, they were like, girl, it's a yes for me. Who do your hair? It's a yes for me. So I was like, you know what? I just had a little light bulb moment one day, and I was just at home, and it was a random Sunday, and I was like, I usually do my hair on Sundays, like, you know, get ready for the week. Y'all know how I go. And I was like, let me just go ahead and, you know, record myself, you know, doing my hair, and I'll just share the video. And I did that. I did that, and girl, lo and behold, girl, I had a couple thousand views in 24 hours. I was like, oh, people feeling the video. People like the video. So I was like, okay, that's cute and whatnot. So I was like, all right, well, how about, you know, I didn't have a schedule or anything like that. But I was like, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and just, whenever I do my hair, I'll record it and just upload a video. Did it again, okay? And girl, it went viral again. Like, people liked the video, and I was just so touched. I was like, oh wow, people actually like watching my little videos. Like, girl, I ain't getting no, you know, it just, I don't know, I just put it out there, and I guess who came is who came. The energy matched itself, okay? And I was just like, okay. So I just kept on recording my, whenever I did my hair, I would record a video. That was probably like once a month that I did my hair, okay? And y'all, it just became something that I really enjoyed doing. I enjoyed listening to you guys, reading the comments, okay? Not listening, but reading the comments. And it was just so much fun for me. And it also, as a creative, it gave me an outlet to just share my art with the world. And it just continued to grow. It just continued to grow. And I remember working, okay, my little job I had, and I remember just thinking about, I wish I was doing a video or like something. I wish I was doing that. I wanted to do YouTube. I was just thinking about that. I used to go to work and I would just think about that all day long, to the point that I would be irritated at work because I had to spend my time at work, which actually paid my bills, and I couldn't do what I wanted to do. Then I started to dream about, I wish that I could actually just do this and be able to pay my bills instead of doing this. Okay, because I felt like working it was just robbing me of my time. Clearly time that I don't have, because we only live once. So I started to dream about that, you know, and I really started to pour my heart into what I was doing, and work constantly got in the way. Work constantly got in the way. And I used to be frustrated about it, but I just continued to try and do both. And then, girl, when this whole pandemic happened, okay, I remember everybody was losing their job left and right because of the pandemic, okay? And girl, I happened to be one of them. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pour my time into what I've been dreaming about for years. Like, I be goddamn if I'm gonna go fill out another goddamn application. It's a no for me, and I did not, okay? I really just poured into what I love. I remember working on the job, and y'all know my lock mannequin head that I have. I was making my lock mannequin head while I was at work. Like, I was at work making locks, day in and goddamn day out, girl, okay? This was a learning moment for me, okay? And yeah, that's what I did. I just, you know, because I was thinking to myself, like, you know, I do one, if I could have, like, I wanted a lock mannequin head, but when I was looking online, I could not find any lock mannequin head. The lock mannequin heads that I saw were trash, okay? I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to make my own, and I did just that, okay? And if you guys go back to my reveal video, when I showed you guys my lock mannequin head, that was right around the time that I had stopped working, and I was like, you know, I'm doing me. I am not working for anybody else. I'm going to work for me, okay? And that's what I did. I did the lock mannequin head only to showcase the styles that I had in my head, and I wanted to share with you guys. I did a second lock mannequin head with medium length because I really cared about my supporters, and I had a lot of comments. People were like, yo, what about us with the medium length? And I had a lot of people like, oh my God, I can't wait till my hair get that long so I can do these and I can do that. And I'm saying to myself, you know what? Y'all right. Okay, y'all absolutely right, because I know more styles than just styles with longer locks. So I went ahead and did the medium length mannequin head with the red locks. And I had to make it spicy red because it had to be different. It couldn't be the same. Okay, and I thought spicy red is just gonna pop, okay? So that's what I did, and yes, I have done some fire styles, and I will continue to do fire styles. I really questioned myself for a while, like, girl, stop, just stop. But no, I need to stay true to me and true to who I am, okay? Get back to the roots. As you guys know, your girl is a goddamn beast when it comes to these lock styles, and I really love sharing my gift and sharing my talents with you guys, because I really feel like I have something different to offer. We learn and we evolve, and I really feel like right now is just one of those times where I'm evolving. I literally feel like what is it? Do you know when when a butterfly, before a butterfly breaks out of the cocoon, you know that struggle until you break free. That's how I feel. I feel like I'm fighting, I'm tug-of-warring with something. I'm just back and forth and back and forth. And I'm like, why? What is the energy? Why am I going back and forth? What is it? It's very, very distracting for me as an artist. And I'm just trying to figure it out. And I really was in a place where I was questioning what I was doing. Everybody needs encouragement sometimes. You know, you never know what people are going through. You know, and for me, I'm always the person who gives. You guys know that. I give to y'all. I give y'all these lock styles, these lock tutorials. I give. Because that's just the type of person I am. I pour in to what I believe in and people that I love. Okay? Let me know. Okay? How y'all feel about the words that I've just spoken, because I just kind of opened up a little bit and vented to you guys a little bit, because I've been off of YouTube for a while, okay, and I know it, you know, and you know, but I'm human, and I've go through my little changes, you know, but every life experience is here to teach you something. And if you pay attention, it'll make you a better person. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. Comment down below and just let me know, okay, what you think about this video. I love you guys. I appreciate all the encouragements, and your girl needs some. I need a teaspoon of this and a teaspoon of that, okay, because it ain't easy out here in these streets, okay. Anyway, I'm about to sign off. Don't forget to share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I ride with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here.